So recently I shared with you how stressed I was to 2021 when the Energy Week started. And today we had another webinar, another usage of our tool EduDip, and our studio. My colleagues Natalie was here with me again. And I must tell you, there was no stressful situation this time. I'm really surprised. The first webinar without any big surprise in the background. So let me show you quickly. Today we talked about, it was a German webinar, highly efficient usage of waste heat and a transparent energy monitoring. Two colleagues of mine joined me here. So Dr. Samir Nassif, he talked about the waste heat using in terms of a contracting approach that we offer. And Dennis Ulke from the daughter of us, Optenda, he talked about the energy monitoring and he showed us a demo. And overall, yeah, they did a great job. We had some preliminary talks, what to do, how to organize ourselves here. I was here in the background. The chat was very lively. We got a lot of messages. The colleagues were even able to have me interrupt them. So it was a great experience. You know, like if I record here, I'm on my own, of course. But if we have a webinar, we should interact. And yeah, so that is what I wanted to quickly share with you. If you couldn't join today to the German webinar, or if you would be more interested in some English information, reach out to us. What I learned was, for example, that there are many possibilities to use the waste heat that is available. The prices have increased over time, so there might be options now that are viable that haven't been an option 5 or 10 years ago. And with the energy monitoring, I remember from one of our meetings, one person said, you know, software is cheap. So if you want to get the overview of the energy that you're using and what you could do, that could be a first step to use the software, for example, from our colleagues from Optenda, to look at the data that you already have. And Dennis also shared with us that there are options to get subsidies, at least in Germany, not sure in your country. But if you say, well, I need certain measurements, there is money to help you out to get those measurements, and then later be more capable of finding out what else you could do. And overall I liked it because we don't just offer studies here, we also offer consulting, we offer contracting. I would suggest if kind of legislation is pushing you, energy prices are pushing you, if you want to see what else you could do, we have multiple options from our tools, from system technologies to Optenda to studies. Two weeks ago, I spoke to Udo from the engineering department, and they offer decarbonisation studies. Yeah, so there the output is some paper, some recommendation, or really something that is helpful in the real world in terms of like installation of things. Yeah, it depends where you are. So whoever you think can help you best, just reach out to all of us, and we can see if there is something from our experience, from our scope of services that is good for you. That was the short idea here. Yesterday we were super relaxed, Natalie, and last week we did the first preparations. Yesterday we made everything final. Today we came in, there was even some trouble with my train. I will save you some details. But it was all smooth, it was all good, so I'm definitely super happy. And let us know what you want to know for the future, and have a good rest of the day. Bye-bye.